Happy morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we will start with a new lesson, Old Bobby and New Bobby. Let's see the overview of the lesson. Bobby is 8 years old. He loved to play but always cheated and refused to play when he lost the game. He always wanted to be the champion, which is not possible at all times. In this lesson, Bobby continues to play his cheating games until he transforms into a new Bobby. The dream teaches him a good lesson. He turns into a well-behaved and calm child. This lesson is very simple to understand, and the main characters are Bobby and Rajiv. The setting of the story is a green lawn. The new terms are refused, bad-tempered, pleased, coward, lost his temper, racket, bravely. So what are we waiting for? Let's read the lesson. Bobby was 8 years old. He loved to play games, but no one liked to play with him. Do you know why? He always wanted to win. If he didn't, he cheated or became very angry and then refused to play anymore. His parents told him many times to behave properly, but he never listened. Bobby's mother often said to him, "You must learn to lose. Cheating is not good. Throwing your bat down, walking off with the ball, or upsetting the chessboard is not very nice. If you carry on behaving like this, no one will want to play with you." One evening, Bobby went next door to play with his neighbor Rajiv. It started raining and the boys had to play indoors. They decided to play snakes and ladders. Bobby became very angry when he lost the game and upset the board. He walked out angrily. That night, when Bobby went to bed, he had a dream. He dreamt that he and Rajiv were playing in the garden. Their ball rolled away and he crawled under the bushes to look for it. There he found himself on a beautiful green lawn. There were some children playing tennis. They came up to him. "Would you like to play with us?" one of them asked. "Yes, I would," said Bobby happily. He liked to play tennis and he thought he would beat them easily. They gave him a racket and game started. Bobby soon found out that the children were very good tennis players. It would not be easy to beat them at the game. The harder he tried, the better they played. After losing the first set, Bobby lost his temper, as he always did. He smashed the racket on the ground. It broke into two and the strings became loose. The children were surprised. "Is that how you play?" they asked him. "Well, never mind. Here's another racket. Let's play on with the game," they said sportingly. The second set began well, but soon Bobby found himself losing once again. Yet again, he threw the racket away. At least he tried to throw it away. It didn't fall, but remained stuck to his hand. He tried to shake it away, but it just couldn't come off. The children began to laugh. Bobby made a face at them, but that made them laugh even more. "Do you think this is funny?" he asked angrily. "Make this come off my hand." "We can't," they said. "Only you can make that happen." "How?" he asked. "You will soon find out if you continue playing," they replied smilingly at him. Bobby looked at them. Were they playing a trick on me? He was beginning to feel a little scared. He was a bad-tempered child who hated losing, but he was not coward. He decided to keep playing. When he became angry, the racket stuck to his hand more tightly. When he was calm, he felt the racket loosen his hand. He remained calm and started playing better. He felt happier and began to enjoy the game. Suddenly, the racket slipped out of his hand. Bobby shouted with joy. The children came running up to him. They shook his hand and patted him on the back. He thought that his new friends were not so bad at all. "Bobby, Bobby," someone was calling out and waking him up. He opened his eyes. It was his mother. It was Sunday, so he decided to go to Rajiv's house to play. After breakfast, he finished his homework and went to next door. Rajiv opened the door. He did not look very happy to see Bobby. Bobby knew the reason for that. Before Rajiv could say anything, he said, "I am sorry, Rajiv. I behaved very badly yesterday." Rajiv happily welcomed his friend in. He was surprised by the change in Bobby. This new Bobby did not mind losing. He did not get angry easily. While playing, he would try his best to win, but smiled bravely when he did not. Bobby now plays games as they should be played, without fighting or getting angry. He also wants to crawl back under the bushes to thank those children for teaching him a very important lesson. So, the moral of the lesson is always play a fair game. Hope you all enjoyed your lesson, children. So, it's time for your task. Task 1. Use the new terms and make your own sentence. Task 2. Complete the oral comprehension. Ask your sibling or parents to read out the questions for you and then answer the given questions orally. Thank you.